Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Nigar Sultana, your maths teacher from class 2. How are you all? I hope you are all good. Today we are going to start our level up maths class. In our level up maths class, today we will discuss 11.5 turning. Now look at here in number 1. In number 1, the car park security camera turns clockwise. It is pointing at the office. Now look at here. Here is a picture for us. Here is office, entrance, exit. Now, how many right angles will it turn to point at the entrance? Now look at here. Here is a point in office, and here how many right angle will it turn to the entrance? And we know clockwise it means it turns right to left, right to left. So office to entrance, here it turns 1. So we have to write here 1 right angle. Next one, the exit. Here the clockwise from the point office to turn exit, we have to 1, 2, 3. 3 turns. So we have to write here 3 right angle. In number 2, here Chris is at a swivel chair in the ICT suit. It can only turn clockwise, and we know clockwise is right side to left side. Here is also a picture for us. Here computer, desk, door, window. Now in number A, here to face the computer he needs to turn dash right angle to face the computer. Here his face the desk. To the computer he needs to turn 1, 2, 3. So we have to write here 3 right angles. In number B, then he turns dash right angles to face the door. Now in number A, here to the face the computer, so his face the computer, and from the computer to door he needs to turn 1, 2. So we have to write here 2. Chris faces the window and turns through 2 right angles. Faces the window. Here is the window, and turns through 2 right angles. And now if she turn 2 right angles to clockwise, here 1, 2 is desk. So what is he facing now? He is facing now desk. Chris faces his computer and then turns through 5 right angles. What is he facing now? From the computer, if he turns 5 right angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is desk. So we have to write here also desk. In number 3, here Lisa is standing in the middle of the town square. Now look at here. Here is a map of town, and it's square, and it has 4 right angle. 1, 2, 3, 4. In here 1 right angle is phone box, another right angle cinema, another right angle church, another right angle coffee bar. If we fold this map, here it creates half right angle. Half right angle, and in a half right angle here is shop, here is bus stop, and here is pub. Now if she faces the shop and if he turns half a right angle clockwise, clockwise means right to left, and here is shop. From shop, if he turn half right angle, and half right angle here we can see is cinema. From shop, half right angle is cinema. So we have to write here cinema. Next one is the cinema. Now if she faces the cinema and if she turns one right angle, here is cinema, from cinema one right angle and it's anti-clockwise, and we know anti-clockwise means left to right, and from cinema anti-clockwise, from cinema one right angle anti-clockwise, here left to right, fourth box. So we have to write here fourth box. The coffee bar, and he turns 1.5 right angle clockwise. Coffee bar, here we can see coffee bar, and from coffee bar he turns 1.5 right angle. From coffee bar, one right angle is phone box and half right angle is shop. So from coffee bar 1.5 right angle is shop. So we have to write here shop. Next one, the cinema, and she turns two right angles anti-clockwise. From cinema, if she turns two right angle anti-clockwise, so left to right, here left to right, 1, 2, coffee bar. So we have to write here coffee bar. And last one is the if she face coffee bar and turn half a right angle, here is a coffee bar, and if she turn half right angle clockwise, so right to left, here half right angle is pub. So we have to write here pub. I hope you are all understand this chapter. Thank you. Take care of yourself.